Hi, everyone. This is Linda Dicate Kersey with Insight Financial Group, owner and founder, where we keep accounting simple. I want to explain to you the three outcomes you will achieve by working with Insight Financial Group. By working with us, number one, you'll have up-to-date books. So important to make sure the financial records are up to date. So if you need to make a business decision, something arise, you can rely that the books are updated. Number two, you'll have a good understanding of what the numbers mean. What I mean by that is many times we have clients in the beginning, they'll look at the financial statements and say, I have no idea what I need to do with those numbers. I don't know what a profit and loss statement is. How do I utilize it? Well, we're going to teach you how to utilize those numbers. Then lastly, number three, you'll have the ability to ask questions. I feel this is so important with accounting. So not everyone went to school to be an accountant. So you need someone you feel comfortable with that you can ask questions and then that person can give you feedback. You want to make sure you're so really comfortable. And by working with Insight Financial Group, I believe you will feel comfortable asking us questions, asking us, what do you think about this? What do you suggest? So this is very important. So how do we do this? Number one, we create an accounting manual. And how do we do that? We want to know how the organization operates. What does the product, how do you create your product? How do you deliver your service? We actually also want to talk to your team members. How are they doing things? And from there, we can create an accounting manual. From there, we create an accounting checklist. So that accounting checklist lets everyone know who's responsible for what. There may be some things on that accounting checklist that one of your team members is responsible for. This accounting checklist, I call this is our Bible. This is what we do. So everyone knows what needs to be done. Then from there, we're taking that accounting checklist and we're breaking things out on a weekly basis. We do things on a weekly basis so we do not get caught up at the end of the month. And what I mean by that, if we are doing coding, reviewing the profit and loss statement, reviewing your accounts payable report throughout the month, we can catch things, we can correct things. So very important for us that we do our weekly tasks and weekly review. Then from there, we're doing our monthly tasks. Some people call that month end task. This is where we're doing the bank reconciliation, the credit card reconciliation. We're looking at the P&L. We're looking at the balance sheet. We may even be looking at grant reports. And then we're putting together the financial package for you. And then at the end, also at the end of the month, we have monthly check-ins with all of our clients. This is an opportunity for both of us to check in, see what's going on, and most importantly, review the financial statements. Does it align to what you were expecting? Does it align to what we've been discussing throughout the month? Are there any surprises, anything that we need to know so going forward we can continue helping you grow your business? And throughout the month, throughout the week, throughout the quarter, I want to stress this, we have ongoing communication. So we will create a communication method that fits your capability. So some people like email. For us, it's an email. Some people use Google Space, but you are going to be hearing from us throughout the month and not just at the end of the month. So if you are ready to get your books in order, ready to understand how to use the financial data, and most importantly, to feel confident, to know that I have someone that I can speak with and that I can make some decisions because I feel confident that everyone is on board and I have what I need to make that decision. Book a call with us today. Go to the website at insightfinancialindy.com. Make sure you follow us also on all social media platforms. We have tons of resources and videos regarding accounting, bookkeeping. So looking forward to working with you.